So here I'm looking at my desktop on my computer. So you can see that I have some files kind of saved here. Sometimes we save things temporarily onto our desktop, and then part of our spring cleaning is to clean some of this up. Some of these things are just shortcuts to programs. So the little arrow there means it's a shortcut, but others of them are actually files. And so you can see the difference because this one is a file. This one is a shortcut. So you can see the little arrow there. So that's a shortcut. I'm not going to move that, but I am going to move this file. So I'm going to move this file into my drive. I'm going to click on the new file upload to get that file from my desktop safely stored into my Google Drive. I can see that I have two files here. I can click both of them, and then I can upload them to my drive. And it says right here, starting uploads, and it's going to be putting them in my drive. Once I have them up here in my drive, they will be at the end of all of my folders, and then I can drag them into the folders that I've created on my drive to help me organize. So all of these, so I've had kind of a mess on my desktop, but now I've kind of made another mess in my drive. So organizing my drive is important as well, and I can take these things that I have over here loosely in my drive, and I can organize them by dragging them into folders that way. And doing those things will help you stay organized and is part of spring cleaning.